Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to become an affiliate on Gumroad. All right, so to become an affiliate on Gumroad, you must be manually added by the product's creator, as Gumroad does not have a public directory or marketplace for an open affiliate signups. All right, so as you can see here, I am the creator right here, for example, and then I've just created an affiliate link for this person. I hope that's clear. Now, what you do on the other side, okay, or on the other hand, as the person who wanted to promote a product from a specific creator, so Gumroad right here, gumroad.com, discover, go on and find the specific product that you wanted to be an affiliate for. Say, for example, this creator right here, go on and find a way to contact this creator. Okay, and ask them politely that you want to be an affiliate of their product or all of their products. All right, so go ahead and send a short professional pitch explaining who you are and why you love their products, and let them know how you plan to promote it. All right, so once they agreed to your offer, they will then go ahead and go to their affiliate section on their account. So for example, I am now the creator who wants to create a affiliate link for you. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on add affiliate right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in your email. Once done, I'm going to give you the commission, for example, 30%. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on add affiliate. After that, you will be landed to this page. You, on the other hand, can go ahead and log into your Gumroad account as well. Say, for example, you log into Gumroad, go to the left panel, look for affiliates as well. When you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to see your affiliate link or custom affiliate link. All you got to do is just copy it and promote it wherever you want. And when someone clicks on your link or buys within 30 days, Gumroad automatically processes the sale, splits the revenue, and deposits your commission directly into your Gumroad balance. And that's how you become an affiliate on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.